In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System. Following that, select Keyboard section and tap on On-Screen Keyboard over here. Then select Gboard and last but not least, hit Text Correction to use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip. This way you can turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!